Today we'll show you how to register Google Search Engine. Write Google Search Engine and then click search. From here you select Google Search Engine, select non-commercial and get started. From here you have to change to the account that you want to register for this Google Search Engine. You scroll down and find the account you want to register and select. And here you have to click your countries, where your country, you can search from here and select and text agree and continue. And from here you have to click create project. And here you have to write your project name, whatever you want. For here, my project name Test 2025. And then create. Create. And then from here you click get start here. And here you have to find your organization. You click here. For here I click government. Next, I select first one. And here you can find where your countries. For here I select Cambodia. Check eligibility. Yes, okay. And next. And next, I choose protection and conservation. And I choose my sector, forestry. And okay. And next. And then scroll down. I select register. And here we have to enable. Read the literates. Okay, continue, click continue. From here, you have to scroll down and in overview, you click code editor. So now it is a Google Search Engine platform. You're first starting. You just click next. Next, it is the tutorial of first startings. Just click next. Next. Yes, and then now you can start your coding something on it. Thank you.